Hi to everyone. I'm still here and now I will show you my next tool I have received yesterday. This is a blue guy, as you can see, but this is a covering, so the back and inside there are some tools. I have got this from UK, and let's unbox now it, open it and see what is inside. So guys, this is, as you can already see, here we are. This is non-marking trim tool set made by Sykes, Pickavant or Pickavant, SP as everybody calls it. Here is the part number 04551000, and this came to me from England. It sits in this great bag. I will put it on the wall of my garage. Here you can see the holes, and I'm very happy with this tool. It costs me about 18 or 20, I have not remembered, Great Britain pounds. It is about 25 or 23 US dollars. Not a expensive tool, but very useful. And I was searching on eBay this type of tools, and this model offers you a best choice. I mean that here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of this interior trim tools. Here are different styles. To be honest and to be right, I have no idea what type of job I can use this. Very soon, guys, I'm going to change the on my car bracer gaskets on the engine. They are sealed by the Mercedes original sealant. Now I am waiting that sealant from USA, and as soon as I will receive it, I will do this job. And I think that this will a good sealant scraper from the bracer cover. You know that bracer cover is made by aluminium, and you must not use some iron sealant scrapers. So this is plastic, and I think it will very good to use to remove old sealant before to apply new. Now I will show you shortly every type of the tool. I was disappointed when I opened them, and there are no markings on the tools itself, so I think that one company produces it and others like this rebrand them and sell them, but in your hand you feel that this is not shiny junk, and this is enough strong material to use for the jobs for what is it made. If you use it on hard work, you break it, of course. So the next one is this. You can see, once again, have not idea on what job I can use this, but not a big deal. When you work on your car, every tool may be possible to use. This is a good example of the trim tool. This hook is very useful. In some situations you can put it under the cover and push it up, and it will be taken out. Also, this is good example of the different sized and looking hook. So I love this one. Once again, very strange tool, and once again have no idea for what is it. Then we move on, and this is also very useful when you are taking some clips out of your car interior covering or other stuff. You can see here, and it will not mark your covers or scratch it. Very good example. This is the same, exactly not, but some situations the same, but it has different angled hook head, very strong. This is very strong plastic. Here you can see. Also for the clips, I don't know if it is possible to use this tool to unhook some clips on your car exterior, maybe or maybe not. I will try that, but this is very heavy duty tool, heavy duty piece. Also now we can see this guy. This has even different sized head. Here you can see it. Then the hook, which is exactly the same, but it has also this type of pulling head. This has not it, so also very heavy duty plastic. So guys, here are all the assortment you may need when you're working on your car interior, and that's why I picked this tool. It is not good that you will buy this tool one, and in some situations you will need this. It is better to buy all whole set, and it also will cost you little short price. Don't even so expensive. If you go and buy this, then buy this, then this separately, it will cost you much more money. This is very strange tool. I don't know for what is it, but anyways, we have this here, and this I can imagine that this will very good for removing some double taped materials from your car exterior. It will not scratch your paint, and it will last you, because this is very heavy duty plastics too. So heavy duty, and these are not so heavy duties, but if you work with them gentle and don't use them on the work which is not for them, they will last you. So guys, give me your comments. If you use these tools, share some information with me and with community. The next tool I will show you, that is oil pump, which I bought for my car to use to change oil on my garage, and I will show you that very soon. So stay tuned, thumbs up, subscribe, and looking for 1,000 subscribers Thank you and goodbye.